Excitement is building around Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra as leaks and rumors flood the internet, hinting at a major leap in smartphone technology. After the successful launch of the Galaxy S25 series in early 2025, Samsung is now preparing to unveil its next powerhouse with game-changing innovations. Next-gen upgrades, what's new? Insider leaks suggest Samsung is testing groundbreaking features, including a sleeker camera setup and powerful hardware enhancements. Social media is buzzing with discussions on Reddit and X, formerly Twitter, where fans speculate about the new design and advanced functionality. Revamped camera system, fewer lenses, better performance? One of the biggest surprises is the shift from 4 cameras to just 3, which could mean a smarter, more refined approach to mobile photography. 200MP main camera, expected to include variable aperture for improved low-light shots. 50MP ultrawide lens, delivering expansive, high-detail images. 200MP periscope telephoto lens for X-optical zoom, perfect for sharp, zoomed-in shots rivaling professional cameras. Experts suggest Samsung's shift to fewer cameras could improve overall performance, making room for cutting-edge AI enhancements in image processing. Bigger battery, faster charging. Powering the Galaxy S26 Ultra is a stacked battery prototype, rumored to exceed 5,500 mAh. Even more exciting, Samsung is testing silicon-carbon battery tech, potentially pushing capacity to 6,000 mAh or even 7,000 mAh. Charging speeds might jump to 65 W, significantly reducing wait times, ensuring users stay powered up without lengthy charging sessions. S Pen gets a major upgrade. Samsung's iconic S Pen is making a comeback with Bluetooth connectivity, a feature that was missing from the S25 Ultra. This means remote control options for presentations, photography, and enhanced productivity, something fans have been eagerly awaiting. Under-display camera, full-screen experience? Leaks suggest Samsung is testing an under-display front camera, similar to the technology found in the Galaxy Z Fold series. This innovation could bring a more immersive, edge-to-edge viewing experience, eliminating punch-hole distractions. While some worry about potential image quality compromises, others believe Samsung will refine the tech to deliver stunning selfie results without sacrificing display aesthetics. Exynos versus Snapdragon, which chipset will dominate? Reports hint that Samsung is reviving its Exynos-powered models, launching the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus with next-gen Exynos chips alongside Snapdragon versions. Tech enthusiasts are eager to see whether Exynos can finally match Snapdragon's performance and efficiency.